Today, we process more information weekly than our ancestors did in their entire lives. Our brains weren't made for this, and whether we realize it or not, we're all experiencing negative effects on our mental health. But what if you could strengthen your brain? To achieve mental well-being, better performance, and overall health, introducing Miend. Miend is the world's most powerful brain training product. Developed in one of Europe's leading clinics, Miend is the first clinical-grade brain training system designed for home use. Unlike mental exercises or meditation, which train your mind in order to strengthen your brain, Miend lets you train your brain directly. Anytime, anywhere, and as often as you like. Here's how it works. Your brain learns from feedback. Through live, visual feedback of what your brain is doing, you can naturally train it to function better. Miend's headset measures your brain activity through a unique combination of features, including blood flow and oxygenation in the prefrontal cortex. Think of it as measuring fuel in your brain's control center. Your brain activity is then visualized in a training game, a game you control using only your brain. When you focus properly, oxygen and nutrients flow to your prefrontal cortex and the waves will rise. By rewarding you with positive feedback, the training conditions you to increase energy to your brain's control center. Over time, you strengthen the muscles that control and run your entire brain. Miend is 100% designed and manufactured in Sweden. Our team includes doctors, researchers, designers, and hardware experts. We're backed by Sweden's top incubator, investors, and we've even received funding by the EU.
What's the difference between a feline family and a cat family? This is a cat family. A feline family has Circle Zero, a self-cleaning, odor-containing, modern-looking vessel for your cat to be a feline in. Motion detectors on the front, a sealed wastebasket in the back, a precision scooper that makes 2 passes within 5 millimeters of the walls. A feline family contains its litter and odor. A feline family can use any bag or litter they want. A feline family lets Circle Zero do all the work of maintaining a litter box while making sure their feline is safe. Circle Zero won't let your feline get scooped up. The motion detectors will pause the cycle immediately and restart 7 minutes later. It will even smooth the litter back out, giving your feline a beautiful surface to be a feline in. Circle Zero works with multiple cats and has scoops for multiple types of litters. It's the sophisticated, modern-looking, zero-effort option, and a feline family knows how healthy their feline is.
Cooling and freezing without ice can be a necessity. That is why we are launching the first 3-in-1 eye cooler. The eye cooler can be powered by a standard wall outlet or any 12-volt cigarette lighter plug-style power source. Adjust the temperature to 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Use as a refrigerator for your fresh foods, cold drinks. Set your eye cooler to all the way down to 0 degrees Fahrenheit to keep things frozen and to make ice off the grid. With the eye cooler, you can bring your favorite snacks, drinks, or life essentials to all of your travels. Eye cooler's tough latch seals and its insulated walls allows you to keep your ice icy, even without a power source. Eye cooler is all you need, from your beach outings, overland camping, and simple picnics. So, ditch your traditional coolers and embrace the flexibility of the eye cooler. IceCo Eye Cooler is powered by a top-tier compressor housed in a weatherproof structure, completed with a secure lock. Design features, such as the cup holders, carriage handles, and the drain plug, are geared toward rugged outdoor usages. IceCo's continued investments in researches and innovations in direct current compressor cooling technologies and will be able to offer the end results to our customers in an extremely portable, rugged, and efficient package. Pressing the setting and up button for switching between Celsius or Fahrenheit, IceCo Eye Cooler offers a 3-stage dynamic battery protection system to prevent damaging your car batteries. Use Max mode when the engine is running for maximum cooling performance.
Thirsty? Can I offer you a drink? Perhaps you should consider that question a bit more thoroughly. Why? Why? Because most beverages come with more baggage than a Kardashian family vacation. Beverages like sodas, juice, and energy drinks are chock full of sugar and artificial ingredients that can lead to unhealthy outcomes like diabetes and obesity. Diet drinks are full of unhealthy chemicals, which can lead to who knows what. Sparkling water? Sure, it's bitter and tasteless, but one upside is you can get away with this.
Picker, it didn't happen.
So for the gram.
Ooh, love that.
Love it. So cute.
At least it's bubbly.
So good.
Bottled water? It's no better than your tap water. And each bottle that's thrown away or recycled has a large chance of ending up here. Plus, every can or bottle you consume contributes to the ever-growing global environmental crisis. I feel gross. So what should you be looking for in a beverage? Well, here's a good place to start. Is it healthy, hydrating, full of flavor, convenient, environmentally sustainable? Does it have delicious fizzy bubbles? And that unhealthy stuff? Can you even pronounce the ingredients? Theaminine, aspartame, butylated, butylated, booty, thiamine monohydrate. What language is this? You should be looking for Bobello. Bobello takes regular, boring water and conveniently transforms it into a delicious, sparkling beverage bursting with flavor. Just add ice water and one Bobello drink mix to our specially designed bottle and voila. No plugs or CO2 cartridges. It's carbonation in your pocket. An instant, flavorful, bubbly, healthy beverage with almost zero environmental footprint. Let's take a sip.
That's really good.
This is amazing. That is good.
Wow, that's actually carbonated?
It's a different bubble.
Tastes good. I wasn't expecting that.
Each Bobello drink mix is full of real flavor, made from natural fruits and botanicals. There are no artificial colors or sweeteners, plus it's paleo, keto, and diabetic friendly. Our patent-pending carbonation is the freshest you'll ever taste. Our drink mix creates real CO2 using just vitamins and electrolytes, which includes calcium, potassium, and vitamin C and D. There's no sugar, no preservatives, no artificial anything. There's nothing else like it.
OMG.
Yes, queen.
That is fire.
So good.
Ratchet. I love it.
Totes. Our minimal packaging, reusable bottle, and recyclable stick packs means less plastic waste in our oceans and neighborhoods. We're working to make our stick packs fully biodegradable or compostable, making recycling unnecessary. Did you know that over 90% of all waste has never been recycled? Although you are trying, the systems are broken. The bottle is engineered to keep your beverage carbonated, fresh, leak-free, and cold for 24 hours. All this while fitting comfortably into vehicle cup holders and fit for most hand sizes, like mine. It's lightweight, portable, and designed to go anywhere you go. Still nursing that diet soda, hauling hundreds of pounds of sugary drinks from the grocery store every year, and wondering why your waistline won't stay in line? Still regularly and unwillingly contributing to mountains of plastics and trash in our oceans? Still gagging down tasteless sparkling water?
It's so good.
I love it.
On fleek. I love